Which Wealthsimple product is the best fit for an active trader? And perhaps more importantly, is Wealthsimple even the right platform for frequent trading? Hey everyone, I've been actively trading on Wealthsimple for a while now, and I get this question all the time. People see the $0 commission trades and think, jackpot for day trading. But my experience tells a more nuanced story. Let's break down the products and the reality of frequent trading on Wealthsimple. The two main contenders are Wealthsimple Trade, self-directed investing, and Wealthsimple Invest, managed accounts. For a frequent trader, we can immediately rule out Wealthsimple Invest. That is their robo-advisor service, designed for hands-off, long-term, passive investing. They manage a diversified portfolio for you. As an active trader, you want control over every buy and sell decision, making invest the wrong product. That leaves us with Wealthsimple Trade, or as they call it now, self-directed investing. This is the platform for active traders, and the zero commission on stock and ETF trades is a massive selling point, especially if you're making dozens of trades a week. Those $5 to $10 commissions from traditional brokerages really add up. However, here's where my first-person experience offers a crucial reality check. While commission-free trading is great, Wealthsimple was built for simplicity and the casual investor. For a frequent or high-volume trader, you quickly hit some limitations. US dollar trading and fees. If you trade US-listed stocks frequently, this is a major factor. The core Wealthsimple Trade account forces currency conversion on every trade, buy and sell, which comes with a 1.5% foreign exchange fee each time. That's a 3% round-trip cost, and it eats heavily into your profit. To avoid this, you need the USD account, which is a $10 monthly fee for core clients, but free if you qualify for their premium or generation tiers, which require higher assets. For a high volume of US trades, paying the fee or qualifying for premium is essential. Trading tools and data. For a quick, straight-to-the-point platform, the charting and research tools are basic. You get real-time level 1 streaming data, which is an improvement, but if you rely on complex technical analysis, in-depth charting indicators, or order book data, you'll likely find yourself running a separate, professional platform alongside Wealthsimple just to do your research. Order types. While they've been adding more sophisticated orders like stop market orders and 24-hour orders on select U.S. securities, which is great for risk management and flexibility, it's worth checking if they support all the specific order types you require for your strategy, like certain complex multi-leg option strategies, which they continue to expand. My conclusion as a frequent trader? Wealthsimple Trade is the product you must use. The zero commission model for stocks and ETFs is a game changer for reducing overall cost, which is crucial when you trade frequently. The catch: it's only the best choice if your trading strategy fits within the platform's constraints. If your strategy is heavy on US securities, you need the USD account to make it viable. If you rely on advanced technical analysis and real-time news feeds integrated into your trading screen, you'll be missing some features compared to more professional-grade brokers. It's a low-cost execution engine, but not a full-featured analytical powerhouse. For active traders in Canada, the question isn't whether Wealthsimple is the perfect tool, but whether the cost savings outweigh the need for more sophisticated features. For many, that answer is yes, especially now with $0 options commissions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.